Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video I will be creating one Halloween card, and the minute I saw this stamp set from Miss Ink, I know I had to color it in and create this really cute scene, and it was a while since I did this, so I'm excited to be spending some time using my colors and just having a fun time. So I sped this up a lot, and it probably goes too fast to recognize the colors I used, but you can use whatever markers you have in your stash, and I don't think the importance is the color combination I used, more of what kind of a vibe I went for. So I'm always liking to have a vibrant color palette when I'm creating cards, so I wanted this also to be cheerful and happy, even though it was a Halloween card, and I think just these cute images really suits well to that style, so I was excited about that as well. So I went in with some teal and some pink and some yellow to contrast with all of those browns and gray markers that I used. So I skipped ahead and didn't show how I color the rest of the images, but you will see them in a second here, and also in the still shots that are over at Miss Ink's blog if you like to see them. But I went ahead and created a background or a scene for my creators, and I took a stamp set called Scene Builder Meadow, and this is an older one from Miss Ink, and I think actually that it was priced down when I looked at the website before I did this voiceover, so if you like to grab it, this is a good time to do it. It's really a versatile stamp set, I think, and I really like it because you can create larger scenes or smaller scenes like I did for this card today, and you can sort of build it upon itself. So you can see here I'm doing this really messy. I'm letting the colors overlap. I just wanted some green on the ground and some green on the tree there, and then I wanted the sky to be blue, and you can see the white showing through. That really looks like a cloudy sky, and I love that effect. Super easy, just a messy blending. And I also went in with another stamp set just to fill that lower part, and this is what I mean with I really like this stamp set that you can build upon itself. So what really brings this scene not to be a summer scene but to be this like Halloween and have this vibe is this step. Just taking a blending brush and some black ink and just going around the edges of all the coloring that we previously did, and you can see it sort of puts the scene and grounds the scene and makes you focus on the middle of this, and it looks like the walls are shrinking down on you or something like that, and it really brings this cool vibe to this corner. You can see the bright sun or the bright like clouds in the background and everything, and then it's this creepy vibe around it. I love this look, and I know that I will be doing cards I have some ideas on cards I want to create with the same technique because I really like it and it was super easy to create. And hey, if you can get away with a messy blending, I'm all for it because I'm no expert at that, but I really like using inks and colors and create my own patterns and scenes like this. So I was excited to try something new, and I hope I inspired you to do something like this as well. So the rest is really easy. I'm just putting, and this is the best part I think of creating a card, just to put everything together and see how it looks when it all comes to life, and you have this image in your head when you start to create, and just seeing if it turns out the way you plan. I just love it. So the Boo stamp set I used there, I just love that as well. It's super fun, and I love that it's large. It's from the Halloween sentiments, and it's also a newer one from Miss Ink, and this is also a magic step, I think. When you go in with your white gel pen and just create those highlights, that really is an important step when you're creating a card. It also gives so much detail, and it's super easy to do, and you don't have to be an expert of knowing where the shadow is. I'm not an expert at this at all. I'm just bringing in it and I think it looks adorable. I also decided to create some stars in the background and that finished this card off. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, have a great day. Bye!